In this video, we will be discussing the use of pattern blocks when learning how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Here is the link of the website we are using to practice with the pattern blocks. We are using our hexagons, trapezoids, rhombi, which is plural for rhombus, and triangles. For our use, a whole is equal to 2 hexagons. 1 trapezoid is equal to 1/4 of the whole. Because if we add 3 more trapezoids, it shows that it makes a whole. 1 rhombus is 1/6 of the whole. Because if we add 5 more rhombi, it shows that it makes a whole. 1 triangle is 1/12 of the whole. If we add 11 more triangles, it shows that it makes a whole.
So for addition, we are going to be adding 1 rhombus plus 3 triangles. 1 triangle equals 1/12. So 3 triangles is going to equal 3/12. So next we need to convert the rhombus into twelfths. 2/12 plus 3/12, which equals 5/12. So next we are going to take over a hexagon and see how many triangles fill in the hexagon. So we want to write 5/12 with the least amount of shapes possible. So we are going to take 1 trapezoid, which equals 1/4. And as we can see, it's the same as the bottom 3 triangles. And 1 rhombus, which equals 1/6. And as you can see, it's the same as the top 2 triangles. So when we put that together, it makes up the same shape. So to check our work, we are going to add 1 rhombus, which equals 1/6, plus 1 trapezoid, which equals 1/4. And as you saw earlier, 1 rhombus equals 2 triangles, so 2/12. And 1 trapezoid equals 3 triangles, which is 3/12, which adds up to equal 5/12. So for subtraction, we are going to be subtracting 2 hexagons minus 1 trapezoid. A trapezoid is 1/4 of a whole, and 2 hexagons are 1 whole. So the first thing we want to do is convert so that they're all the same denominator, and to do this we are going to use trapezoids. Trapezoids are 1/4 of a whole. They are going to take up half of 1 hexagon, which gives us 4/4 of a whole, or 1 whole. So since we are subtracting 1/4, we are going to take one trapezoid away from each side. Leaves us with 3/4. So 4/4 minus 1/4 equals 3/4.
The problem that we're going to be doing for the multiplication piece is 1/2 times 1/3. And because our whole is equal to 2 hexagons, 1/2 is equal to 1 hexagon times 1/3, which is 2 rhombi. Now another way to write this is 1/2 of 1/3. So what we want to do is we want to find some way to split our 2 rhombi into 2 equal halves. So let's go ahead and separate them. And luckily, we don't have to do much else because we already have 2 perfect equal halves. So that gives us a final answer of 1 rhombi, or in fractions, 1/6. And a good way to check to make sure you did it right is to go up here and solve this equation. 2 times 3 is 6, so you get 6 for your denominator, and 1 times 1 is 1, so you get 1 for your numerator. So 1/6 is equal to 1/6. That's your answer, 1 rhombus. Doing a division problem with the blocks, we're going to try the problem 1/4 divided by 1/12. So we know that 1/4 equals 1 trapezoid divided by 1/12, which is equal to 1 triangle. So what we can do to try to figure out how many triangles go into 1 trapezoid, so we can take our triangles and try filling in our trapezoid. You can see that 1 trapezoid is equal to 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. So we can say that our answer is going to be 3. However, the answer is not going to be 3 triangles, because 3 triangles would be equal to 3/12, and we need 3 whole. So how we do this is we need 3 sets of 2 hexagons. If you want to try figuring out if this is correct, you can go ahead, and a way to solve division whenever doing fractions is to cross multiply. So we're going to have 1/4 times 12/1. That's equal to 12/4, which is equal to 3. So that's how you do division with your blocks.